I've gotten several questions about what is a magic square. So I'm just going to show you one and then sort of talk through maybe some strategies for solving one. So this is in the WebWorks subtraction homework, numbers 13 and 14. So here's an example of a magic square, and here's what makes it a magic square. If I look along this row and I add these numbers together, 5 plus 10 plus 3 is 18. Here, 4 plus 6 plus 8 is 18. 9 plus 2 plus 7 is 18. This is also true for the columns. 5 plus 4 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 6 plus 2 is 18. 3 plus 8 plus 7 is 18. And then lastly, not only are the rows and columns adding up to 18, but the two main diagonals are going to add up to 18. So here, 3 plus 6 plus 9 is 18, and the other diagonal, 5 plus 6 plus 7 is 18. So this is what is meant by a magic square. Every row, every column, and the two major diagonals sum to the same number. They add up to exactly the same number. Okay, to think about how to solve a magic square, so you might have a setup that looks something like this, where we're missing a bunch of numbers. So we don't know what goes in these spots, but we do have the 8, the 5, the 7, and the 2. So the first thing we have to do is we have to figure out what the magic number is. So what is the number that the rows, the columns, and the diagonals add up to? So somewhere in your magic square, you probably have a row or a column or a diagonal completely filled in. So here we have this diagonal. So we have 8, 5, 2. So we know that if we take 8 plus 5 plus 2, we'll get 15. So for this particular magic square, we know that every row, every column, and the diagonals have to add up to 15. Now from there, we can start to fill in. So I already have 8, 5, 2 to be 15. Now, if I look at this last column, I'm only missing one number. So I have something plus 7 plus 2 equals 15. What plus 7 plus 2 equals 15? 6. 6 plus 7 plus 2 equals 15. Once I have the 6 filled in, now I can look for other pairs where I'm just missing one. So if I look at the top row, I now have 8 plus something plus 6 gives me 15. So 8 plus something plus 6 gives me 15. That answer is 1. So now I can fill in that spot. And then I just continue to look for pairs. So I have a 1 and a 5, so I can figure out what number goes in here. I have a 6 and a 5, so I can figure out what number goes in here, etc., etc., until I have filled in all the spots. So I hope that helps. Jump in, give it a try on number 13 and 14, and if you have any more questions, please, please, please contact me. Good luck.